Hey guys, today we're diving into everything you need to know about the Toyota bZ4X battery replacement costs, and trust me, you'll want to hear this if you're considering Toyota's only EV in the US market. Now, Toyota's been pretty cautious about jumping into the EV game. While other manufacturers are dropping electric vehicles left and right, Toyota's sticking to their guns with just the bZ4X, waiting for better charging infrastructure before going all in. Let's talk specs real quick. You've got to drivetrain options across the XLE and limited trims. The base front-wheel drive packs a respectable 201 horses and 196 pound-foot of torque. 0-60. Toyota says 7.1 seconds, but real-world tests have hit 6.7, not too shabby. Top speed is capped at 99 mph. Here's what's interesting. Every bZ4X rocks the same 71.4 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. If you're going for efficiency, the front-wheel drive XLE is your best bet, hitting an impressive 119 miles per gallon. The limited trim drops a bit to 114 miles per gallon or equivalent thanks to those bigger wheels. But here's the thing you need to know, and it's something all EV owners face. Batteries don't last forever. Just like your phone battery degrades over time, EV batteries lose their charging capacity as they age. So if you're planning to keep your bZ4X for the long haul, you'll eventually need to think about battery replacement. Alright folks, let's talk money, specifically how much you'll need to shell out for a bZ4X battery replacement. These numbers might make your wallet sweat a bit. Now, while Toyota's got this super detailed online parts catalog for the US market, they're pretty tight-lipped about the battery pack costs. But hey, they do show us prices for all the other fancy electrical bits. You're looking at anywhere from $7,300 to a whopping $14,380 for things like the onboard charger, inverter, and voltage sensors. But don't panic, you'll only need these if something goes wrong or you get into an accident. Now, here's the juicy part. According to a third-party parts retailer, a 2023 bZ4X battery pack, which is the same as the current model, will set you back $19,831.50. And that's just for the pack itself. Don't forget about labor costs, those skilled techs gotta eat too. That'll add a few thousand more to your final bill. But before you run away screaming, remember, this is worst-case scenario stuff. Most people won't need to replace their battery pack for years to come. What do you think about these prices? Are they what you expected? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want more EV cost breakdowns like this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay notified.